In any fast-paced industrial environment, lost tools and cluttered workspaces don't just waste time, they cost money. That's where shadow boards come in. A simple visual solution that supports effective 6S and lean management. Shadow boards help standardize tool storage, reduce waste, and eliminate the time spent looking for missing equipment. Every tool has its place, and it's obvious when something's missing. Aligned with the 6S pillars, shadow boards promote safety, increase productivity, and drive accountability, empowering every team member to maintain high standards. They're also a vital step towards audit readiness and continuous improvement, making visual management a day-to-day reality, not just a poster on the wall. At Klipspringer, our in-house design and production team works closely with your site to create bespoke shadow boards that reflect your exact needs, from layout and tool outlines to color coding and branding. And with our industry-leading turnaround time of just 5 working days, your lean journey doesn't need to wait. Create a safer and more efficient workspace with Klipspringer shadow boards. Get in touch to discuss your requirements today.